Orgram forest, Damu, which is near Bardhaman, and it's only 125 kilometers ride. So we'll be going to the Dankuni Toll Plaza and meeting the boys over there, and from there we'll ride. Good morning from Dankuni. So we are at the Dankuni Toll and all the boys are here. There's the Duke and the 390, the Z900. There's Shudida over there and Sid, and here is Mr. Trinmoy. So we're going to ride to Orgram forest, and first of all we're going to go to Shaktigarh, have some breakfast, kochuri, and from there we're going to go to Orgram forest and return. Cloudy day, I don't know if it's going to rain. If it rains, it'll be a rainy ride. So see you on the ride. Today's destination is Orgram Forest in Bardhaman District, and a patch of a forest. I've never been there, I've seen pictures, and preferably I've heard that there is a bit of off-roading patch over there. Also there is an old airfield, so we're going to meet up with the boys in Dankuni, and then we are going to check it out. We're going to stop for breakfast in Shaktigarh, and after that move to Orgram. So see you from Orgram forest. This is new for us, and it's pretty crowded. As you can see, all the buses are stopping here. So it was not a very great experience. So we'll move from here towards Orgram, the forest. Maybe we'll have some fun in the forest. So see you in the ride. On the way to Orgram, and we have stopped here for a bio break within the field. So out of the city is a beautiful place, and the boys over there, they are all over there. They are having some quality free time and the freshness of the village air. So we are all over here. You can see people working in the fields, and it's amazing. The roads are also very amazing. The weather is super amazing. So we're enjoying this ride. Now we'll head into the forest and we'll do some off-roading We'll see you from over there. তো আমরা এখানে ওরগ্রাম ফরেস্টে চলে এসেছি। So this is Orgram forest. The roads are a bit slushy, so we had a muddy endeavor. Sudhira's bike and my bike. So we got stuck in the mud and we had to be rescued. And the road goes on. The boys over here. The road goes on, so we will try to go over there and see what is over there. So, over here we are the jungle. So it's a nice place. So we're here in the middle of Orgram forest. There's a beautiful eucalyptus forest over here, and we did some off-roading and we came here. Here is the doctor and the boys are over there. They're having some fun. So we are at the Orgram Airfield, and Kaka has given us some direction, and with him is his Bhagne, and we are going to go back from here, so they said, and everybody is clicking some snaps. So this is an old structure, probably it was built during the World War, and this was the runway strip which was used. The strip goes straight and it bifurcates over there, and also go straight. So this is the Orgram Airfield. It's an amazing riding. It's a bit off-roading, It's good. So now we'll be returning back. The boys are there, taking some pictures, and we've done some off-roading, and we'll be going back the same way. So the next stop will be Shaktigarh. We'll stop there for a quick snacks break and a bio break. From there, we'll head home. So see you at Shaktigarh. So it was an amazing ride to Orgram, and it started early in the morning from Dankuni at around 700 hours, and me, Sid, Sudhita, Chinmoy, and Shubhodipta, and we had a nice ride after a long time. So we are here at Shaktigarh. We've had the mandatory dam over here, and the guys are all chilling over here having dam, and we are returning right now. So it's another 60-70 kilometers, and the time is 1:30. So we'll be home by 3 o'clock. And it was a short trip. It was a fun trip. A bit of off-roading of the patch in Orgram forest, and it is pretty hot and sultry today. Might rain in the evening. So see you on the next destination. So we are back home. It's 4:30. It was an amazing ride. So Sid, how was the experience?
It was so good, so good.
Yeah, we had a nice off-road experience, and now we are home. Seems it rained here. So that'll solve, and we'll see you in the next ride.